3, 2, 1.
Are you ready?
Hi Kybernetics! Have you ever encountered a problem like this, having a long beak? Usually birds with this kind of problem in their beak doesn't eat properly. When a bird doesn't eat properly, it will lead to death or lead to malnourishment. So to be able to overcome this problem, Kybernetics, I have a remedy here. All you need to do is to get a nail cutter or a scissor or a nipper, or just trim the beak exactly looks like a normal beak. That will enable them to eat properly, and that will enable them to eat normally again. So if you find this video really helpful to you, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Ren Ibonatics, and please click the notification bell so that every time I upload new videos, you are always updated. So by the way, for those new to my YouTube channel, my channel is all about bird breeding tips that might help you to breed your birds properly. So thank you for tuning in. See you next time, Kybernetics. Thanks for watching, Kybernetics. Hope you enjoyed this video. Breed lang ng breed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.